Mercury Marine has done it again. We redefined a new class of lightweight, compact, and versatile portable outboards. More power, more control, and more comfort in a smaller, lightweight package. Introducing the all-new Mercury 15 and 20 horsepower EFI 4-strokes, offering best-in-class performance for faster planing and greater top speed. Electronic fuel injection for fast, reliable starting and instant throttle response in all weather, while the manual battery-free starting makes boating easier and worry-free. An exclusive new tiller handle that's ergonomically designed to provide superior comfort and is fully adjustable for effortless single-hand control. This center tiller mount design features an exclusive steering adjustment that allows the user to change steering arc to accommodate left or right hand operating preference using a simple socket and Allen wrench. Boaters are able to fine-tune the tiller arm horizontal angle up to 18 degrees from center for either left or right hand operation. The benefit? Improved leverage, added comfort, while improving hull control. Easiest way to say it is, the engine now tracks effortlessly in the direction you want the boat to go. Another key feature is the exclusive left or right hand throttle function. For improved control and comfort, the throttle grip rotation matches driver's preference. A simple throttle mechanism under the cowl can easily switch the throttle grip for either direction. And at the end of the tiller handle is an easy-to-reach stop button for convenient operation. How about a unique adjustable tiller handle angle down stop that lowers the tiller handle a -5 degrees in the full down position, and with your thumb can be raised up to a +10 degrees in the upper position. Now the tiller handle rests exactly where you want it, reducing fatigue and improving overall operation. Other unique attributes of the tiller handle are an easy-to-operate shift lever mounted near the throttle grip for easy access, and a simple throttle tension knob for fine-tuning the throttle friction depending on user preference. There's a tilt-lock lever for full-up tilt, offering effortless trailering. And working with Mercury's advanced mount system, the multifunctional tiller design offers the lowest in tiller handle transmitted vibration, delivering smooth, comfortable overall operation. The totally redesigned 15 and 20 horsepower EFI 4-strokes delivers exceptional performance, improves boat handling and provides superior fuel efficiency, while out-accelerating and running faster than the competition. These ultra-lightweight powerhouses debut at just 99 pounds or 45 kilograms and are among the lightest in the market. Our robust 333cc twin-cylinder 4-stroke features a 2-valve per cylinder single overhead camshaft configuration, offering a low-friction design with a maintenance-free valve train. On the electric start models is a 12-amp, 145-watt high-output alternator, generating an impressive 9 amps at trolling speeds. At the core of the new 15 and 20 horsepower is an electronic fuel injection system, which enables the outboard to start easier, faster, and provides instant throttle response in all weather. Manual starts are made possible with the innovative battery-free EFI control system, and with a built-in decompression relief rope, starts are easy for everyone in the family. And because it's a pressurized fuel system, it requires less maintenance. Electronic fuel injection also allows the outboard to run smoother, maximizes power output, and lowers fuel consumption. Under the cowl, a conveniently located maintenance schedule decal provides basic specifications and an easy overview of routine maintenance. The maintenance schedule includes 100-hour and 300-hour checks and inspections, along with a QR code that takes you to the Mercury Marine website for more information. Servicing the pressurized fuel system is simple. The water-separating fuel filter has a red O-ring, and if it's floating, water contamination is present. The no-mess oil change system. Oil changes are cleaner. A powerhead oil filter drain hose allows to cleanly drain the filter before removal, and the filter catch tray catches any drips that might remain. Freshwater flushing is fast, convenient, and easy, using the garden hose flush attachment located on the side of the engine near the front. Mercury's new 15 and 20 horsepower, reliable, powerful, efficient, and feature-rich, delivers the best boating experience possible. At Mercury Marine, we make boating fun.